Trendy unboxing. Today we are going to see which product is best for cleaning utensils. But before that, according to me, one shall get proper idea about the product before purchasing it. So on this channel we are coming up with product reviews. But before proceeding ahead, do subscribe to my channel if you are interested in this type of content. So without wasting time, let's start. So here I have two products. First, let's talk about antibacterial Pitambari Dishwash bar. So this dishwash bar comes in a plastic packaging, and on the packaging itself you will able to see picture of utensils. And they have given on the packaging kam gale chale zyada. It means it doesn't melt much but works more, and it has lemongrass oil in it. Now let's talk about Pril liquid. So Pril liquid comes in a big sachet, and you will able to see small blue cap where you can open and take how much you want and then close if it's not required. On the right side you will able to see that they have mentioned trial pack 120 ml rupees 20. The name of the product is Pril and it's with active power molecules. And along with this pack you will get a bar which is costing 5 rupees only, which is absolutely free. So this is the front side of the packaging. Now let's talk about Pitambari Dishwash bar. We have already seen what they have given on the front side of the packaging. Now let's see what they have given on the rear side of the packaging. They have given the cost of product is rupees 5. Then the cost of this product is rupees 20. Even they have mentioned batch number along with the packaging date, that is March 2021. The net quantity of the product is 75 gram. Here they have given the name of the product in Devanagari script, and even they have given manufacturer's address, that is Rajiv Industries, Kala AMB, Himachal Pradesh, and it's marketed by Pitambari Products Private Limited, 3rd floor, Hemendra CHS, Gokhale Road, Naupada Thane, Maharashtra, India. They have given their email ID and customer care number where you can easily contact them, that too directly, unlike. Now let's speak about the other product. Let's see the rear side of the packaging. Here they have given Pril lime with German technology. Its active power molecules cut away tough grease residue, remove food smell, leave utensils sparkling clean. According to them, it's not clean if it's not Pril clean. They have mentioned 2 ways to sparkling dishes. That means to clean your utensils. And onto the wet scrub sponge and use directly on the utensils. And for regular cleaning, dilute a teaspoon of Pril lime in a bowl of water. Dip the scrub sponge in the solution and use. For customer feedback, they have given their email ID plus phone number, which is a toll-free number. They have even given the manufacturer's address and marketer's name. I have used both the products, and now I tell you which product worked for me. Pitambari Dishwash bar has worked for me as I just have to remove packaging of the product and use it with the scrub. But if I want to use Pril liquid, then I have to take container, then pour water in it, and then I have to put liquid in that. And after that I have to use it for my utensils. But instead of doing that drama of taking bowl and then water and finally liquid, I'll be using dishwash bar, and Pitambari dishwash bar is much cheap and easy to use also. So that's all in this video. Do share your views with us and let us know which dishwash bar you use at home. That's all in this video. Thank you.